The 14th of May 2025, Florida, United States. A male subject identified as Devin Dunlap was arrested at a check cashing business after attempting to cash a fraudulent instrument. This analysis focuses on the legal framework applied at the scene.
Hey, sir. Not under arrest, just being detained right now. Until we figure out what's going on here, okay? All right, man.
I just got my phone right there.
Say what?
My phone is right there.
That's all right. Nothing will happen to it. Oh. 10, 1 to 10. We're going to go ahead and have a seat over here.
All right.
You carry knives or weapons or anything like that?
No,
Just
sir.
going to pat you down real quick here, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, I don't know what's going on here. We'll explain everything in a moment.
Okay.
Spread your legs here for me. Is your wallet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your ID is going to be in there? All right.
I got it right there.
Oh, they got it?
Yeah.
All right. Keys?
Yes, sir.
Lighter?
Yes.
Just do me a favor, have the seat right here, sir.
All right.
What's your name, man?
Devin Dunlap.
Devin what?
Dunlap. Devin Dunlap.
All right, listen to me while I got to read you here, okay, man? Like I said, you're under arrest at this time, you're just being detained.
I'm sorry, I can't hear
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be against you in a court of law. Do you understand? You have the right to the presence of an attorney prior to or while you're being questioned. You understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed at county expense to represent you before any question you so wish. You understand? All right. You decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand any of these rights that I've just explained to you?
Yes.
All right. Having these rights in mind, you willing to answer our questions? Sorry? No? All right.
You read him already?
Yep.
You got his name?
I just want to answer the question.
Oh no. You don't wanna say anything? Okay. Can I at least get your name? You got it. You got his name already?
No, I figured that they had his
Oh.
ID or something like that. I mean, he's got his wallet.
All right. This is his phone right here?
Yes, it is there.
Okay. Did he give you any ID? Right there? Okay. Thank you. And that's the check right here? Oh yeah, if I could just get that.
I didn't have mine.
Did he happen to give you anything else or that was it? That was it? Okay. Hey boss.
You need help like doing statements and all this stuff? Because I've done this kind of stuff before.
Yeah, probably will.
Now I call my girl so she can pick up my car.
You said what?
Now if I call my girl, she can pick up my car.
Yeah, once we get over to the station, I'll let you make a phone call.
So how
Yeah.
she gonna let my car stuff?
Huh?
My car right
Which one is it?
there. Right, the Stelvio.
Oh,
Stelvio.
the gray one?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, once we get there, I'll let her.
Where you get the keys from me?
Where are the keys at?
Right.
They in your pockets? Well,
Yeah.
I'm about to take out everything from your pockets, all right?
Appreciate it.
Turn the AC on for you, right?
All right.
How you doing? Is this Miss O'Brien again? Okay, how you doing? It's Officer Stewart. So the check that this male was trying to cash, do you know exactly where he got it from?
I have no idea.
Oh, you have no idea.
Cashier's check.
It's a check.
Take the Riverside Tower.
To a personal or a business check? It's like a business check.
You know, I didn't check.
Riverside Tower, what's that?
Um,
Private tag, Quebec Tango Mike, Romeo 25, Black
I
Kia.
don't know
So,
where you got it from. I don't know
No.
where it's from.
That's
Can you
it.
send me a copy of the check?
Yeah, I can send you a copy.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's from you and it's being paid to the order of this male, right? Do you know what Devin done that? Don't
Like I said, he tried to get it out of cell last week. And,
Last
you
week.
know, it's recorded.
25,
Does it have my husband's name on there too on the check?
Yeah. What's her husband's name?
yeah.
Yes, your husband also.
No.
Yeah.
No, my name is Francis. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the point.
Okay. And you've never been in. I'm sorry.
He called. I'm thinking it was him. And he called us returning information and everything.
Oh, really?
And then just like, why were you asking me all this information,
Mm-hmm.
and then we got the big involved.
Who's at the check cashing store called her?
Yeah, who was that called you last week? It was him, you're saying, or
I think it was.
oh, so you think that he was trying to call you last week to get your information?
Yeah.
Okay.
But did he say how he got the information?
No, he's not. He's not saying anything. No.
I mean, we have to come down and see something, let us know. I mean, I want to.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna be giving you a call back.
Yeah.
With any more information or if you need anything else from me. Okay.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
I can get a statement from the teller.
Okay.
Do you want me to call Troy? Run it by him, or do you want to call him?
Yeah. See what. Yes.
I think this is straight. It's uttering forged instrument. You can charge identity theft, attempted grand theft, and if they're willing to be a victim, we charge them with bank fraud as well.
Okay.
So let me call Troy. But if you want to go ahead and transport him, I think you're good. It's just we got to figure out how to do a statement from her. That may be something that they may do later on.
Okay.
So let me call Brett, and I'll call you. Who handled the transaction with the gentleman? Okay, I'm going to need to get a statement from you. And then I don't know if you want to call up your boss, but you guys are technically a victim of the crime of bank fraud because he tried to, dupe you guys. I don't know if you want to call your boss to find out because I got to get a statement from you, just going over the details of him presenting the check and everything like that. And then if you want to call your boss and ask them, or if you guys are willing to press charges in regards to the charge for bank fraud. Yeah, you wouldn't mind. And then is there some way I can get a statement from her? Can I come around the back? Sorry?
You need me to step out?
Either or, whatever you guys want to do, we can do it right here. It's going to be a tape statement. So, just go ahead and walk me through the gentleman that came into the store today, whose name is, hold on a second. Yeah, Devin Dunlap. Just walk me through when he entered and just, eventually led to me showing up here.
Okay, so he came in actually yesterday to cash it, and
The same check?
yeah, the same check. He said he came in because he sold his car. It was a 2012 BMW, I think 328.
Mm-hmm.
And when I asked him, did he have any paperwork from selling the car, he said no.
Mm-hmm.
And then he stated that he provided the 786 telephone number saying that that's who he sold the car to.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we tried looking up the number, it came back to someone else that wasn't who he sold the car to.
Okay.
And then from that, we got a hold of the maker, and the maker said that she received the call last week with the same person trying to cash the same check, and that is fraudulent.
She got a phone call from another place?
Lisa, yeah. So the stamp that was on the back of the check, I asked him, I said, hey, where did you take it to? Because he had to have a cancellation endorsement stamp, and it wasn't a cancellation stamp. So I told him that he would have to go back and come back.
So there was a stamp on the back of
Yes.
the check? Or-
Yes.
So that would indicate that he attempted to or
He
tried to.
attempted to, right, and he stated that they said that because he didn't have an account with them, that they wouldn't be able to cash it.
Gotcha. Okay. So then you said you called the maker on the check, Lisa?
Yes,
Okay. And you spoke to her just directly and everything like that?
correct, trying to
And,
just verify the check.
and what did she tell you?
And
The same thing? That,
She said the same thing, that this is fraudulent because she received a call from a bank last week. She didn't give a date, but last week that the same check with the same amount.
okay. All right. He presented ID to you?
Yes, he did.
Okay. You looked at ID, verified and everything like that?
Correct.
No money was exchanged? Okay.
Not at all.
Did Lisa tell you that she was calling the police?
Yes.
Okay. Were you going to be calling the police eventually, or what's your policy? I don't know what policy is in regards to situations like this.
Well, now that part, my manager, I have to follow up with her as far as that.
Her?
Yes, Anika.
Okay. All right. What was I going to say? Was there a transaction slip created for this transaction already? Do you guys, I don't know if you guys do
Yeah, we have paperwork.
okay.
It's
I'll
a
talk to
process.
her in regards to seeing if I can get a copy of that. And then also talk to her in regards to getting the, who didn't need to contact to get the video. I did ask her previously about the bank fraud. I'm guessing check cashing door doesn't want to press charges in regards to that. Is that correct? Or you need to verify with her?
Yeah, have to verify with her.
Okay. Is there anything else you, when I came into the store, I'm sorry about that, just to verify, when I came in the store, the gentleman that was at the counter, that was the correct gentleman, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to state?
Probable cause. Under Illinois v. Gates 462, U.S. 2131983, independent corroboration from the checkmaker satisfies the totality of circumstances test and establishes a lawful basis for warrantless arrest, search, and seizure. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968 authorizes a pat-down incident to detention. Once formal arrest is made, a full search incident to arrest requires no additional justification under the Fourth Amendment. Right to silence. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 4361966. Upon a clear invocation of the right to silence, all questioning must immediately cease. Any statement obtained after invocation is inadmissible as fruit of the poisonous tree. Uttering a forged instrument. Florida Statute 831.02 requires proof that the defendant uttered or published a forged instrument with intent to defraud. Each attempt at a separate location constitutes a distinct and independently chargeable act. Identity theft. Florida Statute 817.568 applies when a defendant obtains another person's identifying data without consent and uses it to fraudulently obtain anything of value. A prior call to the victim to extract banking information satisfies the without consent element. Attempted grand theft. Florida Statute 812.014 classifies the offense by value. A check between $750 and $200,000 is third-degree grand theft. Under Florida Statute 777.04, the attempt alone with no money exchanged is sufficient for the charge. Federal bank fraud. Under 18 U.S.C. 1344, a scheme to defraud a financial institution or obtain funds under false pretenses is a federal felony. Whether the check-cashing business qualifies as a financial institution under federal definition is a threshold question for jurisdiction. Consciousness of guilt. The prior bank stamp on the check establishes that the subject made at least one earlier attempt with the same instrument. This pattern undermines any defense of unwitting possession and demonstrates deliberate fraudulent conduct. Double jeopardy. Under Blockberger v. United States 284, U.S. 2991932, each charge must require proof of at least one element not required by the others. Stacking uttering identity theft, grand theft, and bank fraud charges must survive this constitutional analysis before trial. Victim cooperation. State charges for uttering and identity theft may proceed without institutional victim participation. Federal prosecution under 18 U.S.C. 1344, however, is materially strengthened by the financial institution's willingness to cooperate as a complaining victim. Key lesson. A single fraud attempt can generate multiple overlapping felony charges across state and federal jurisdictions. On-scene corroboration, recorded witness statements, and physical evidence such as a prior bank stamp are essential to building a prosecution that survives constitutional challenge at every level.